Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is my last day here in Gambia before going to Philippines. This is the last time guys I will attend the church here. So we are early guys. We cannot be late. Good morning guys! So, kagigising-gising lang natin guys. Nag-alarm tayo ng 3:45 AM. So, yung flight time ko po ay 6:45 AM. And, ang project manager ko po magdadrop sa akin to airport. Inaalis po kami ng 4:30 AM. So, mag-ready lang ako guys. And then, we will go. Atcha, let's go! Istanbul Airport. Guys, stricto na sila dito kahit transfer. Sinasabi, show your passport, police control. Before, hindi naman siya ganyan. One down na. So, may layover tayong 7 hours here. And then, we'll go to Manila. Guys, meron palang free meal sa Turkish Airline kapag ang layover mo ay 5 hours or more. So, napili natin sa Gang Foods, guys. So, we are waiting for the order. May McDo din dyan, guys. Kaso, hindi yan libre. Kailangan mo magbayad, guys. Guys, ito na yung food natin. With free drink na. Fanta. Guys, ito na pala yung next day ng pag-uwi ko. Hindi na ako nakapag-video that night dahil I spent my time with my family and nagpahinga na rin ako guys dahil nga pagod din sa biyahe. To tell you honestly guys, I'm really surprised. Di ba nga, kasi guys, di ko nakwento sa inyo, before, tuwing uuwi ako, sinusurprise ko yung mama ko talaga. Hindi ako nagsasabi na uuwi ako. But this time guys, yun nga, na-surprise ako. Na ako dapat yung nag-iisip na masusurprise sila. So, I just felt happy about it guys. I felt happy about the time home. Bali, sorry pala guys, dahil hindi na nga ako gaano nakakapag-upload. I will just take rest guys. I will try to do vlogging here in Philippines. But I really need your support for that. And yeah, I can finally say that I'm home. Thank you guys for watching. Always remember, don't forget that you're amazing. Bye-bye.